Hey, so this is going to be a really quick video on how you can always be traded with the institutional order flow. So this is the absolute easiest way you can do it. And I want to give a shout out to ICT, the Inner Circle Trader. This came from his channel, and I'm just bringing it to anyone's attention who wasn't already privy to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to be using two moving averages and exponential moving averages. Okay, so moving average, exponential. And you're going to add two of them on your chart, right? And it is a 9 and an 18 moving average. All right, let's just make this a different color to make it stand out a little bit better. All right, so I'm not a big indicator guy at all. I'm not a big indicator guy, but this is the easiest way to do it. This is the easiest way to be traded with the institutional order flow. Okay, so whenever your 9 EMA is above your 18 EMA, so it's above it and it is trending higher, that is when you are operating within a bullish institutional order flow. Okay, so again, this blue one is the 9 EMA, this bottom one is the 18 EMA. So see how the blue EMA right here is trending above it. It crosses above it and it stays above it, trending higher, trending higher. The daily institutional order flow is bullish. It's bullish. And see how it's staying above it, staying above it, staying above it. So if you want to always be trading with the institutional order flow, for example, while this 9 EMA was above this 18 EMA, if you want to be trading with the overall trend, the overall institutional order flow, you would only be looking for buying opportunities in here. That's if you want to trade with the overall trend, right? And right now it looks like we may be having a shift in direction here, possibly. All right, possibly. It hasn't really completed that cross just yet, but it looks like it may be in the process of doing so. And so once we get that cross and market structure is 100% confirmed to the downside, again, I have an entire video series, an entire playlist in regards to market structure. And so if you add like institutional order flow, like the 9 and 18 EMA with market structure, trading in the direction of the market structure, I mean, you're basically set at that point in regards to trading with the overall trend, trading in the direction of the institutional order flow. But yeah, that's the easiest way to do it. So like this is a bullish example. As long as the 9 EMA is above the 18 EMA and we're pressing up, institutional order flow is bullish, overall trend is bullish on the daily chart. And you can do it on the weekly chart as well. So for example, see how we crossed right here. So it's daily, it's primarily used on the daily and the weekly chart. Clearly you can use it on the intraday too to trade with like the intraday trend, but it's primarily used on the daily and the weekly because that is where smart money operates. That's where big money operates. It's mainly used on daily and weekly chart. So for example, see how the 9 EMA was below the 18 EMA and it was trending lower. All right, so it was below it, trending lower, trending lower, trending lower. See how prices consistently tagging these lows? It's operating within a bearish institutional order flow throughout here, okay? And then what happens? Boom, we get a shift and it makes that cross right here is basically confirmed, 100% confirmed, where you had that 9 above the 18 EMA. See how it crossed and it's confirmed. Institutional order flow has switch to the upside. So now we're operating within a weekly bullish institutional order flow. Remember, we're on a weekly chart now. So, and we're still operating within that, as you can see, we're still operating within that weekly bullish institutional order flow. Okay, so that's the absolute easiest way to determine what institutional order flow you are currently operating within. It is just that simple. It's just that simple. It's that easy. Just plot a 9 and an 18, trade in the direction of that, and you're all set. It's literally that easy. And then you combine like market structure, just basic market structure like I've talked about in my videos, and you're all set in regards to like trading with your larger time frames at that point. So hopefully y'all found this useful. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you later.